Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Simply Charnay, where it's simply me being me. And this week I wanted to show you how I made this wig. Wait, let me go get it real quick. So this is the finished product right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I did it. So first I had started out with this other wig head that I'm gonna show you. And it turned out that it was a bit too small. So I had to go get this second wig head like you saw on the wig I just showed you. Then once I did that, the wig was still, the head was still not the right size. So I got the masking tape and I wrapped it around the head till it got to the right circumference. And then I also put like plastic bags and taped them down onto the wig head to get like the size of my head. But I didn't record that because that part was a lot of work. I just wanted to skip to when I show you guys how to actually sew the wig on. So then once I did that, I put the wig cap on the head. And I'm just looking at like the videos over here. Yeah, and then once I did that, I started putting on the frontal. So I had already marked it on my head, like behind my ears, like right here and right here, like I show you in this little video right here. So I have this frontal that I got from a shop on Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and link her channel before, but it's a 13 by 3 I think frontal. And basically what I did, I laid it on my head where I wanted it to lay and everything, and then I marked it on the sides where I wanted it to stop. Yes, so that's what I did. And then I went ahead and marked the sides, as you can see right here. And then I also marked it on both sides of the frontal. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't know, it's silver, but yeah, I think you can see it. But yeah, I went ahead and marked both sides, and then I'm going to go ahead and move it to the mannequin head right here. And once I did that, I put that wig cap back on the mannequin and I lined up the marks and I laid it flat, and then I went ahead and sewed it onto the cap. But whenever you're sewing on the cap, you also want to make sure that you're only going into the fabric and not the elastic and the fabric, because then it won't stretch properly when you try to wear it. So after I had sewed on the frontal piece, I started drawing lines about a finger width apart onto my wig cap, and I started at like the base of my neck and I worked my way up until like I guess right about here. That way I could do a different pattern on the top, which I'll show you in a little bit. So this is me just progressively getting taller and taller, and then once I finished sewing all the way up to the top, once I got to that last edge, that's when I started going, I just started drawing straight lines up until like I got to the frontal. And whenever you are drawing these lines, you want to make them spaced out, so then the last one will be laid directly on the frontal. I'm gonna go ahead and also show you a zoomed in video of me, like how I was sewing it. So then that way it's like super tight and it's not gonna go anywhere. Basically what I did, I took the needle and I pinned it through the track, and then I got it through the fabric. And then whenever I pulled it out, the needle out, I looped it underneath the loop I just created, which you'll see in the video I'm gonna show you. Then on this final row where I got the piece lined up to the frontal and the final track, I laid them like so they're touching. So normally I would sew through just the fabric and the track, but this time I made sure I grabbed the track, the frontal, and the fabric from the dome cap, so then it would all be secure and safe together. So yeah, I just did that, and then once I finished doing this, I went ahead and washed the whole wig as a whole, and then I blow dried the hair and I flat ironed the hair, and that's the finished product you see right here. But of course I did the washing and the flat ironing all off camera because that would have been a video that was too long. So in another video I'll show you how I install the wig and fit it to my head, because right now my hair is not in a way that I can do that. And with that being said, that's all I have for you this time, and I'll see you in my next video. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below what you want to see next. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.